Hey guys, Blind Mechanic here, introducing the Ranger to the channel. Needs a bath real bad. 98 Ford Ranger, 2-wheel drive, regular cab as you see, short bed fleet side. Work my way around it here. Where's my stair? There's the pimp stick. Shoot some video of it here, and we'll see if it'll start. Do a walk around video, and I'll talk a little bit about it. Nothing special. It's beat all the heck. There's some paint in places. Got dents in places. From where I used to drive it when I had sight license. Show you this nice dent over here, knocked back out. Right there, yeah. Flip it in the creek. That's where it flipped over on its side and it landed on a rock right there. It was caved in about like half of a football. Let's see if it'll start. Fuel pump went out. We had to put one of them aftermarket, good for nothing fuel pumps in it. So you might hear a little bit of noise when we shut the door. Manual windows and door locks and mirrors. It was a fleet truck. 4-cylinder 5-speed. Yeah, there's it. Noisy aftermarket fuel pump. Let's see what it'll do. Must have an exhaust leak. Quite warmed up yet. Making me look bad. Yeah, I swapped in a short block out of a 95 Mustang 5.0 liter. Put some, let me pop the hood. Put some GT40P heads on it. Dressed them with some Trickflow valve springs. Got a Wieand stealth high rise. 4-barrel intake. Choke needs some work. Holley 670 Street Avenger. Has the short belt. Well, what I call short belt, no AC. Got water pump, power steering, alternator. That's it. Trickflow stage 1 cam. I put the engine together, dropped it in there. Some friends and family helped me do a little bit of fabricating. Just really had to modify my transmission cross member. It's got exhaust manifolds, but it's got duals dumped over the rear axle with some off-brand dual chamber mufflers. It's got a Holley red pump. Noises I'll get out. Has a Explorer limited slip, 8.8 rear end. Welded purchase, or I didn't weld purchase on it. My nephew welded purchase on it to make it spring over. Limited slip. It's got 410 gears in it. It's just my little labor of love. I drove it when, from the time I was 16 to about 20. It's about 4 years, and in 4 years I got it had 150 on it. And now I think it's got like 20. No, when I got it had 120 on it. I drove it to 208. Cooked the head on it and parked it. And then when I started losing my sight, I didn't have no use for a 4-cylinder 5-speed truck, so why not throw a 302 in you got laying around? Well, you can tell it's a Welk engine. Interior here, I got a B&M gate style shifter, factory bezel there. I tried to cut out around it. And I got, if I'm getting them in frame, I've got a set of 3 gauges there. It's loose. Old water tip, AFR gauge. So yeah. If you want a V8 swap truck, you can do it. I did this one, can't see. V8 Ford Ranger life, yo. Gonna take the track this spring. I'm gonna get insurance on this spring or pick insurance back up on it, take the track, see just how slow it is. We got some more plans for it, you'll see in the future. Don't know who I'm gonna get to drive it yet. Hopefully the track will let me do a ride along. Appreciate you watching. Keep wrenching.